Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video. Today I will let you know how to use Python in Excel, as we have new feature in Excel, that is Python. How we can use this Python language in Excel. So let's get started. I have created 3 frames, or you can say that 3 data frames for you. Our first data frame is how to start Python. Just write is equal to py bracket start. It will enable your Python language here. Now select your range, or you can say that your data, and press Ctrl Enter. Now your data frame is created. If you go to this option, it will show your data frame with your data. You can also extract this data into Excel. Just copy this data frame and paste it here, and go to this option and click on Excel values. It will simply load your data into Excel. This is how you can enable your Python language in Excel, or you can say that it is just basic. Now let's move to advanced. How to give this data frame a name that I have given here. I have given Google name here to this data. I have numeric data here. For this you can give is equal to, again enable your Python and select your data. Just in starting you have to give the name. I'm giving here now data of Python. Now you have to select is equal to and press Ctrl Enter. Now one data frame again created for this table. Let's move to our next data frame, that is how to describe your data. How you can describe your data. Just press is equal to py bracket start, then select, or you can say that I have given name here data of Python, then full stop, then describe bracket start bracket close, and press Ctrl Enter. It will create, or you can say that it will describe data. Means that your count is 10 here, your mean is this, and your standard deviation is this, minimum value is this, 25% is this, 50% is this. It will describe your data in different parts. Now next one is how to create histogram of any data. For this you have to use one formula, that is Excel bracket start, select your data frame into double quotes bracket close, then you have to put dot or full stop, then plot bracket start kind is equal to, then double quotes hist means histogram, then double quotes and bracket close, and press Ctrl Enter. It will create image, or you can say that histogram for your data. This is how you can use Python language and Excel. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any query regarding Excel, please do comment in comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video.